So, as we all know, the Note 9's been released early to some of us. Some of us have got to wait till tomorrow, some of us can get it tonight, some of us have got to wait a bit longer, but we've all known that the Galaxy Note 9 was coming. We all knew what it looked like, we all knew what the specs were. So anyway, now it's here. I'm not going to do an unboxing because every cat and dog is doing an unboxing. I'll do a review, but I'm going to leave it for 10 days or so, maybe a week, we'll see. But I'd like to use the phone thoroughly first before I do the review, and then I can give you an honest opinion instead of a quick wham bam, thank you man. I ain't no two-pump chump. Sometimes it might be ideal to be a two-pump chump, especially if you're only happy in getting yourself. Anyway, never mind. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. But what I am going to do is I'm going to show you around the new rugged protective cover from Samsung after this. This is it. Rugged protective cover with kickstand. Drop tested, military standard, mil standard, 810G, 4 stars for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Sounds awesome, right? Bet you can't wait to throw this 300 feet and see how. Anyway, that's not going to happen. Drop tested to military standards, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 rugged protective cover deflects and absorbs most impacts to minimize damage to your phone. And in addition, the kickstand lets you get the most out of your infinity display. Anyway, military grade, ruggedized? That just sounds up, ruggedized. Say that 10 times when you're drunk. Ruggedized design tested for shock and drop resistance with a star. Kickstand folds flat into the back cover. To install, align the bottom edge of the phone within the bottom edges of the case. Push the phone into the case, making sure all 4 corners snap securely. I bet you didn't know how to do that, did you? I've just saved your lives. You can thank me later. Anyway, the star says here, tested using US mil standard 810G method 516.6 procedure. No idea what that means, but whatever you say. Alright, so let's open this thing up, shall we? Like I say, it's the silver one. They seem to be advertising this with the blue, and I have the blue Note 9 right here. So I have the blue. I didn't go with the black because it just looked odd when I pulled it out and looked on there. It just didn't. It looked great with the black Note 9, but for some reason you can't get the black Note 9 here. Kind of stupid, but anyway. So it's the silver version. So let's crack this thing open and see what you get. This is going to be like the most minuscule unboxing ever, but it's not really an unboxing, it's just so you can start looking at what the case is like. Now let me tell you, first impressions, this thing is built. It feels fantastic. It's really grippy, the back. You'd think it'd be slippery looking at that, but it's not. It's actually, it's built as well as the phone. That sounds stupid, I know, but it really is built. That is one of the best feeling cases I have owned. Colour me impressed. Inside here is just more instructions of how to get the phone in the case. So it's like a two-piece, but it doesn't come apart. Inside it's the rubber TPU that's then, I'm presuming, glued into the plastic shell. I say plastic, it is plastic, but it's got like a rubberized texture on it. I'm actually really impressed with that, especially considering how much I paid for it. These are $39.99 in Best Buy right now, pretty much anywhere. If you know somebody who works for certain places, you might be able to get it cheaper than that. I paid $20 for mine. Thanks. So yeah, this was a hell of a deal. Even at $40 though, I mean, I don't often say cases are worth $40, but the quality on that is outstanding. It might be hard getting it across on the camera so you can see what I mean, but it's fantastic. The kickstand seems a little flimsy, but the actual case itself doesn't have clicky buttons, it has the rubber buttons. So let's take this out of here. The other thing you get in the case that nobody actually cares about is how to use the kickstand and how you can remove the kickstand. And yeah, whatever, who cares, right? So let's get this out of the way and let's put the Note 9 in. Now let's fit it exactly how they said, shall we? So what we've got to do, we have to put the front in. Just kidding, I'm just going to whatever. Just kidding. So you just push the phone in, bang, done. Bigsby. Bigsby, are you kidding me, Bigsby? So yeah, there it is. It's in the case. And here's what I'm recording right now, using my app. But yeah, I'm just going to tell you one negative on the Note 9. Samsung, for some reason, have removed the ability to disable Bigsby. Bill Bigsby was cool. He turned green and effed shit up. This Bigsby isn't cool. Hey, in fact, watch. You ready? Hi, Bigsby. Oh, can't talk to Bigsby right now. And when you do talk to Bigsby right now, I ask it to disable itself and it doesn't know what I'm talking about. So come on, Samsung, get it together. Give me an option to disable Bigsby. I want to use Google Assistant because it blows your assistant away. Anyway, so here it is in the phone. This is the Note 9. Phone's in there. It looks really good. Seems pretty tough. I am not throwing it face down. I don't care what any of you say. I'll only throw it face down if one of you guys promise to buy me another one. And you give me the money first before I do it. Because I wasn't born yesterday. So, yeah, like I said, you can see here. Let's bring this closer up to the camera for you. So, rubber button for Bigsby. Rubber button for your volume. Rubber button for your power. There's your kickstand. And then there's your fingerprint sensor. Everything's cut out great. It does look really good. Yeah, I mean, would I recommend it? Absolutely. It looks great. It fits the phone perfectly. What I'll do now is I'll show you some close-up shots of the actual phone in the case. That way you can make your own mind up. You can listen to my music while I'm at it. And shake your head at Samsung not letting us disable Bigsby. Anyway. Alright guys. Enjoy what you see next.